Today, we're not just going to talk about black holes. No, we're actually going on a journey into one. And this isn't some documentary you're just watching. This is your first-person account of the most extreme, most mind-bending trip the universe has to offer. So buckle up. That question you see, it's asking something pretty profound. What would exactly happen to you if you got too close to a black hole? That's our mission today. We're going beyond the abstract physics and imagining this terrifying journey is happening directly to you right now. All right, so as your spaceship approaches, the first thing you notice isn't darkness, not at all. It's the complete opposite. You're met with this brilliant, blindingly beautiful light show, kind of like a welcome party at the edge of oblivion. What you're actually looking at is called the accretion disk. You can think of it as a cosmic graveyard. It's the leftover bits and pieces of stars, planets, and gas clouds that wandered just a little too close and are now getting whipped around the black hole at nearly the speed of light. All that cosmic wreckage crashing into itself creates an unbelievable amount of friction. It heats everything up to millions of degrees, creating this celestial bonfire that's so bright it can outshine entire galaxies. So, take it all in, because this is the last beautiful thing you will ever see. So you've somehow survived that dazzling, deadly light show, and you keep pushing deeper. Now you're approaching a boundary. It's not a wall you can see or touch, but believe me, it is the most significant line you will ever cross. This boundary is the event horizon. Just think of it as the universe's ultimate one-way door. The gravitational pull right here is so immense, so powerful, that to escape it, you'd have to go faster than the speed of light. And since nothing can do that, once you're past this point, there is no going back, ever. And the strangest part? You just drift right across it. There's no bump, no collision, not even a sound. It's a completely invisible, silent point in space. But make no mistake, the moment you pass it, the laws of physics themselves have guaranteed your final destination. Your fate is absolutely 100% sealed. So as you fall deeper into the black hole, something far more fundamental than light begins to warp and twist. We're talking about time itself. All those mind-bending theories from Einstein are no longer just concepts in a textbook. They are your new, bizarre reality. So let's ask the question, as gravity intensifies beyond all human imagination, what on earth happens to the actual flow of time? Okay, this is where things get really weird. From your perspective, everything feels normal. Your watch is ticking, a second feels like a second. Business as usual. But if someone were watching you from a safe distance outside the black hole, they would see you start to slow down. To them, your fall would seem to take thousands, then millions of years, until you appear to be completely frozen at the edge for all eternity. Two realities, born from the exact same event. That time-bending stuff was a lot to think about. But what comes next isn't theoretical at all. It's purely physical. The immense gravity of the black hole stops being this general force and starts to act on your body with terrifying, horrifying precision. Scientists have a grimly descriptive and honestly perfect name for this process: spaghettification. It's what happens when the difference in gravitational pull from one end of an object to the other becomes ridiculously extreme. Let's say you're falling feet first. The gravity pulling on your feet becomes trillions of times stronger than the gravity pulling on your head. So your body is stretched, longer and thinner, like a piece of taffy being pulled apart. And at the exact same time, immense forces from all sides are squeezing you, compressing you. You are literally being pulled apart atom by atom into a long, thin stream of elementary particles. Well, your consciousness has long since blinked out of existence, but that stream of atoms that used to be you, it continues its unstoppable fall. It's heading toward the very heart of the black hole, the final unknowable mystery. This center is called the singularity. It's not really a place as we understand it, but a point. A one-dimensional point with infinite density, where all the mass of a dead star has been crushed into a space smaller than an atom. Just try to wrap your head around that. And this is the end of the line. At the singularity, space and time as we know them just dissolve. All our understanding of physics, of cause and effect, of reality itself, it all just stops working. It's the ultimate unknown. So we are left with this one final mind-shattering question. After your atoms reach this point where physics itself breaks down, what happens? Is it an end? A new beginning? A gateway to another universe? That is the final, unanswered secret that the black hole keeps.